This is Honor View 20, and today I'll show how you can enter the safe mode on this device. So to start, press and hold the side power button for 3 seconds, and then tap at the power off option here. Well, third time is a charm, so I should get it this time. Yep. Now wait anywhere between 5 and I would say 7 seconds for your phone to be shut down entirely, and then simultaneously press and hold the volume up and power buttons and let your finger off those buttons the second you see the Honor logo on your screen. So here it is. Let's release both of my fingers here. Now wait a few seconds for you to be booted into the recovery mode or recovery menu. And from there, you will simply need to select the safe mode option and, well, confirm it. But I'm getting ahead of myself here. So yep, here's the recovery mode. So select safe mode, tap on it, or you can use the volume rocker and power buttons to, well, scroll those options and confirm. But you can also use the touch screen, so why not? Now your phone is being rebooted into the safe mode, so let's wait for that. Just wait that. So here's the safe mode, as you can see. Now if you would like to exit it or disable the safe mode, all that you gotta do is once again launch the power off menu and simply restart your phone. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.